My name's Gary Olson. I live here in Hayden, Idaho, and I've been experiencing back pain on and off for many, many years, but it's a come and go sort of a thing. And about a year ago, it got very intense to the point where I couldn't play golf, couldn't do my normal activities, and it got to the point where I could walk for less than about a half a block, and then I had to sit down and have a rest. Went to my primary care physician, who then referred me to Dr. Larson's office for an MRI. The MRI disclosed a cyst that was actually in the spinal column that was impinging upon the nerves. So then I was referred to Dr. Larson, and he again showed me the films and so on, and explained that I had essentially two choices. One, he could go in and remove the cyst, and that would give me the relief that I'm looking for. But he also explained that the reason that the cyst was there is because the vertebrae was out of place, and that the likelihood that it would reoccur was very high, although we didn't know what kind of a time frame we'd be looking at. The other option was that he would do his procedure where he would go in through the side and actually remove the vertebrae and replace it with what he referred to as a cage. I'd been in law enforcement for many years, and I had an awful lot of friends of mine who experienced back pain, and they, most all of them had surgery, and the results were not good. There were more failures than there were successes. And so when I'm talking to Dr. Larson, this is going through my mind, and I'm thinking, this probably isn't something that I really want to do. And then he stood up and he looked at me in the eye and he says, "You know, I can fix this, and I'm good at it." And there was something about that that made me decide that this is the guy. Well, following surgery, and of course my return home, I was very surprised to see how easy it was for me to move around. And when I started this whole process, I was under no illusions that he was going to make me 20 again. But nonetheless, if I could get back to doing the same kinds of activities that I was doing before this bout started, specifically playing golf, tending to my lawn chores, and doing my normal routine activities, I was going to be very happy. And to say that I am very happy is an understatement. I'm back playing golf. In fact, I played golf last Monday, and I suffer no ill effects after 18 holes on the course, and I'm doing my chores at home. I pruned all of my bushes, climbed ladders. So all in all, this has been a very, very big success.